Hi guys, hope you guys are all doing well. And let me introduce myself for those who don't know me. My name is Jesse Francis, and I'm here as lead faculty trainer at Ratnam. And I've done my MA and MBA, and have around 14 years of corporate trainer experience, and has worked as a HR manager at Ratnam and in my previous company as well. And here, as of now, I've taken up the role of assistant professor in RTC. And today we are going to discuss about the British Council and the benefit of it. Like as we know, for our engineering students, how much this particular certification plays a very important role in their career growth. So let's straight away go into the benefits of British Council. Let's see the advantages of this. So first of all, as I said, it is valid for lifetime. So this particular certification is completely autopilot. When I say autopilot, in the sense each one of you will be given your login ID and password after your registration, and you will be left solo to do it on your own. It is self-driven. All the contents of audio, video, questions, and many more things are already loaded in that. You just have to keep going. It is like it will keep guiding you as you proceed until you complete the course in 3 months time, and ultimately you get your certification on that. So this particular course, after completing, as I said, it is valid for lifetime. Like many a times what happens is certain certifications requires renewal after every 2 years or a particular period. So but this particular course, once done, it is valid for lifetime, so there's nothing to bother about. So it's I think for engineering students especially, you can start opting for this. Another benefit or advantage of this particular British Council certification is it is globally recognized. When I say globally recognized, it is worldwide recognized. Like suppose there are certain degrees or certain studies that you guys do when you go abroad and say for your higher studies or for seeking up a job, they may say that this particular course is not valid in our country, right? So they say that it is valid only in your country or probably only in your state, but not valid here in other country. But whereas British Council certification, if you do it here in India, it is valid all across the globe, that is worldwide. Okay, so that much of weightage has this particular certification. And let's see another one. And it is mandatory for your visa process as well. Like anybody, like most of the engineering students have dreams of going abroad and working. So first thing is when they apply for the visa, they ask for how well versed are you with your English communication. And definitely for that, this certification is very, very important. And without this, they're not going to process your visa at all. Okay, so even if you speak well or whatsoever, you got to give it in writing that you have done your British Council, because in British Council certification what happens is we are focusing in all the 4 parameters, that is reading, writing, listening and speaking. So that gives the overall certification about your efficiency in English. Next is like engineering students, after your 4th year, many of them have dreamed to go for higher studies like for your MS or other things. So when you go abroad, definitely this is one of the mandatory thing that is required. Or even for seeking jobs abroad, yeah, US or UK or whatsoever, definitely this particular certification is very, very important. And the last and the most important one, it can improve your communication skills. Okay, as I said, so these are the advantages of doing this British Council certifications. So let's see what are the payment factors or what are the fee structure for this particular course. As I said, level 1 beginners course is for rupees 1000 rupees, and you can access this course for 3 months. And level 2 intermediate is again for 3 months, you pay around 1000 rupees. And level 3 is advanced course, and you can access it for 3 months, and the payment is 1000 rupees. And there is something called as special offer, the premium offer, wherein all the 3 courses put together you can access for 6 months, and you just got to pay 2400, okay, 2400. And here is a catch for all the Ratnamites, okay, for all engineering students of Ratnam. There's a special offer exclusively for you guys, because all these three courses, as I said in the previous slide, it is for 2400, but for students benefit, we are bringing it to just we are bringing it at a very minimal rate of just 999. Okay, so don't lose this opportunity. Many times you may not get this opportunity again, so I would request each one of you to log in, or not exactly log in. You'll be, after this particular video, you'll be getting a small Google form to be filled in. So those interested students alone will be getting a call from the British Council. So this is a very special offer exclusively for our engineering students. So make use of it and try to utilize it, and for your career growth, this is very, very important. And this is how your certification is going to look like. Okay, you'll be having your logo, you'll be having your name, you'll be having the duration from when to what date you have completed, and you'll be having authorized signatures. Okay, so this is a valid certificate that you'll be getting at the end of the course. Okay, and as I said, after this small video, you will be shared a Google form wherein you need to write your basic details about your name and phone number, so that the British Council members can contact you directly, and they will help you out with your registrations. They'll give you a login ID and password, and they will be throughout with you, guiding you wherever there is a troubleshooting required, until you complete the course, until you get your certifications. Okay, so this is what it is. Once you fill this form after this video, you can expect a call from the British Council. Okay, so they will call you and they'll give you the guidance or the registration, how the registration has to be done, and how you can procure your login ID and password, and how you can proceed with the particular courses. So now you got to know about what is British Council. Any doubts, any clarification at any point in time, you can feel free to contact me. My number is 9943-936-999, and this offer is only till 10th of Feb. So try registering and get started. All the best. Thank you very much, guys.